call ourselves the Gatherers. We have dedicated our lives to spreading the ancient knowledge of the Force, waiting for special builders such as yourself to stumble across our workshops. We search wide and far throughout the galaxy, combing through ancient relics from the crypts of Moravan to the icy terrain of Jeddah. We see value in the artifacts time has forgotten, taking scrap and transforming it, looking for someone like you to wield it. But we're living in troubled times. There's a power struggle happening outside these walls between the Resistance and the First Order, bringing about more danger than ever before. Those up for the risk in our time of need are often become heroes. Heroes you might know like the legendary Luke Skywalker. He was known for his endless dedication and fight for his cause. Now, Rey too has demonstrated this immense resilience and allegiance. I'm sure this devotion is why you're all here today, searching for a tool to aid you in your journey. A journey that has led you here, to build this. The lightsaber. It is both elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a lost art form, taking from ancient practices and renewing it into something more, something beautiful. It is a conduit of the power of the Force, allowing it to flow freely from the lightsaber and you, its user. And each handcrafted creation needs its centerpiece, something small but incredibly powerful. The Kyber crystal. This is the heart of your lightsaber. It channels and amplifies the power of the Force, focusing the energy into a blade. Now the color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. And after many long, hard expeditions, we have managed to gather 4 colors for you to choose from today. But let's go over some history first, shall we? Starting with the blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now by Rey, our spark of hope. Green, wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Luke Skywalker, and Master Yoda himself. Violet, rare and beautiful, once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And of course red, the crystal of power, controlled by Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, Darth Maul, and now Supreme Leader Kylo Ren. But that is their stories. This is yours. The time has come to choose your crystal. My fellow gatherers will be coming around with the crystal canisters for your selection. Let the Force guide you in your choice. Your first instinct might be it calling out to you. Once you have chosen your crystal, please place it on that green plate in front of you, as they are not quite stabilized yet. But remember, you can find the answer within yourself. Okay, amazing choices, builders, but now onto the hilts. This is the foundation of your lightsaber, and the center of control. And also protect your hands from any unwanted disintegration. Now that these are in front of you, I repeat everything you need to build a complete hilt. Whether what drew to the heart were fragments, reborn Sith ashes, or relics from Jedi past, rest assured you have chosen these pieces for a reason. So go ahead, take a look, pick them up. And now, together, let's explore. To your left, you'll find your chassis, home of your Kyber crystal. In slots 1 and 2 will be your sleeves. Slot 3 will find your emitters. Slot 4 will be your end caps. And in slot 5 will find 2 matching sets of activation pins. I will be here to guide you in your build with my fellow gatherers here to help. But before we begin, one question. Are you ready to build a lightsaber?
Yes.
Are you ready? Let's build. Start off by picking up your chassis and your Kyber crystal. If you notice, in the center of that chassis, there is a hollow chamber. You are going to place your Kyber crystal inside of that chamber. You can do so by pressing Don't worry, this is a good thing. So we're make sure you hear that sound. If you do not, please let us know.
Perfect.
This is a critical step.
Yeah, she can change from but she can't.
Okay, make up this fire.
So you
We're
have
going to
to
go ahead and move on to slots 1 and 2. Slot 1 and 2. You are now going to choose 2 sleeves out of 4. It does not matter which 2 sleeves you choose. Feel free to mix and match these pieces. The only important thing is that if you choose 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom. When placing these, please make sure it all lines up here. There is a thicker metal band on one side of the sleeve. This will always be inserted first towards that center chamber, whether on top or on bottom. Once you place the sleeve on with the thicker metal band going inward, push and twist to secure it into place. Just make sure your sleeve goes on top and bottom of your chassis. Firmly secure.
Yeah, you're gonna go ahead and put that on, then you're gonna twist to secure.
Okay, we're done. Make sure you put 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. Firmly secure by pushing and
Check
twisting.
it's tight.
Again, feel free to choose any 2 sleeves you like. Feel free to mix and match these pieces. Make sure that the Okay, great job, builders. I see many sleeves on. So we're going to go ahead and move on to slot number 3. Slot number 3. With our sleeves on, we're now going to choose the emitter.
We're gonna flip that sleeve around so you have the thicker band towards it. There you go.
Simply place on and twist. It requires no additional pressure. If you do meet any resistance, unscrew it and try again. Once again, you're going to choose the emitter for slot number 3 to place over the opening at the top hollow end of your chassis. Simply twist it off. Once you have that emitter on, go ahead and flip your chassis over.
And then you don't have to push it, just an easy twist. Just twist it on.
Slot number 4 to place over those exposed power cells. This will go on just like the emitter. Simply place
Yeah, as
on
long as
and
when you
twist.
go to the left
Requires no
wall, it
additional
doesn't
pressure.
unscrew it, you're all good.
If you do meet any resistance, unscrew it and try again. Once again, once that emitter is on, go ahead and choose an end cap from slot number 4.
Everybody gonna select an end cap from slot number 4. That's gonna go on the bottom. You're just gonna twist it.
On and twist. If you meet any resistance, unscrew it and try again. Well, with that end cap on, our hilt is built. If you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and place it on that hilt stand in front of you. My fellow gatherers, line will be coming around to inspect it.
Alright, excellent. Can I take a look at your hilts? Excellent. Are these your final pieces? We're gonna do one final check there. What color crystal do you have?
Are you happy with your hilt?
Yeah,
Do you mind if I take a look
Skin
at
color
it?
and
go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
control. When the time comes, you're gonna activate my person.
When I say activate, you're gonna slide up on that switch, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm just doing a final check real quick if that's okay.
Okay.
Okay, looks great. I'm gonna leave it right here for now, and then I'll take this.
A shoulder blade. In here, no, but if you go to Doc Bondars after you're done, they sell a shoulder blade.
Are you happy with your hilt?
Doc
Do you mind
Bondars,
if I
when
take
you
a look
exit,
at
you'll see a
it?
set of stairs. You're gonna go up the stairs, make the right, it'll be the
Great,
first
okay.
one on the right hand
When
side.
I say activate, you're gonna slide up on that switch, okay? Looks great. I'm gonna leave this here, and then I'll take this sleeve.
And there's your final box. Good. And your final check. What color crystal do you want? Excellent. Alright. You're gonna activate the crystal. Yeah, push it around. Intro lean so static. Okay? Alright, so can I take the rest of these?
Amazing job, builders. I see some stunning hilts, but if I could have everyone take a large step back, maybe even 2, my fellow gatherers will be coming around and placing our hilts in our crystal stabilization chambers. We are not force sensitive, so we use technology to try to harness the power of the crystal. But don't worry, we've been doing this for a long time, as it is our life's work, so we probably have like a 50-50 chance of this going well, so pretty high odds, I'd say.
Yeah, that's pretty high.
Pretty
A
high.
little too high, maybe.
It'll be fine. We did the practice ones, I think, so.
About that, we can do that.
Well,
Try to figure this out by the side.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
wow. Master Yoda. Builders, all of you here today have truly made this happen. The Force has to be strong with you. Now the time has come to force a sacred bond between Builder and Saber. Your journey has led you down this path, to this moment. So please, when you're ready, take a large step forward, back to your build stations. Place your hands on your hooks. Take a deep breath. Let the Force flow through you. Now, together, as one, activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes the spark. So please raise them high, raise them proud. Amazing work, builders. Now please lower and deactivate your lightsabers. That bond has been forged.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda, and thank you, builders. You're each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you hold in your hands. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect the lightsaber, we are pleased to present a saber sheath to